Get the billing statement for the entire institution in one report. I walk you through this report in detail in this video tutorial. Let's get started. Go to Administration, Student Billing, and click on Billing Statement. If you don't specify a year for the billing statement, the current year will be used by default. You can either select all schedules or a specific schedule for the report. Select a fee type or leave all fee types selected. You can refresh the report in the upper right corner. You can download a CSV document of the report next to the Refresh button. The CSV report can be saved to your Downloads folder or anywhere else you want. The due date is listed first, followed by the fee type. There's also program type and course, as well as enrollment type. Students. Fee. Billing amount. Total receipts. Total balance. If enabled, an indication of included course subject fees will be shown after the due date. Thank you for your time. See you in the next video, and remember to like, subscribe, and enable notifications on our YouTube channel.